Welcome to the best picks. The Best Ninja Combo is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can buy, saving you precious counter space while delivering exceptional performance for all your blending and food processing needs. From chopping vegetables for a healthy stir-fry to making creamy smoothies and delicious soups, this powerhouse combo will quickly become your go-to kitchen gadget, simplifying your cooking and making meal preparation a breeze. Number 5. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. This system is a powerhouse in your kitchen. It's designed to make quick work of all your food preparation needs, from smoothies to dough. Watch it pulverize ice into snow in seconds. It creates incredibly smooth frozen drinks and smoothies with its 2+ horsepower motor. The 8-cup food processor bowl delivers perfectly even chopping. It even makes up to 2 pounds of dough in under a minute. Blend, mix, crush, and create single-serve drinks, all with 1,500 watts of power. It truly customizes your drink-making experience. Two 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating nutrient-rich drinks to enjoy anywhere. Take healthy drinks with you. It features stacked blades for the pitcher, a dough blade and chopping blade for the processor, and Nutri-Ninja blades for single-serve cups. It's ready for any recipe. This powerful dough mixer quickly and evenly folds ingredients. Make up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Get started right away with the included 31 recipe inspiration guide. It's filled with delicious smoothie and frozen drink ideas. What we like? It pulverizes ice in seconds and makes dough in 30 seconds. Its multiple functions let you create various recipes. If you need a powerful and versatile system for smoothies, frozen drinks, and dough, this is the one for you. What people say. Multiple functions, great for blending, chopping, mixing dough, and making nut butters. Powerful 1,500 watt motor, handles everything from smoothies to dough with ease. Versatile 4-in-1 system, includes a 72-ounce blender, 8-cup food processor, and two 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups for personal drinks. Number 4. Ninja BN801 Kitchen System. This is the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. It's a powerful and versatile appliance that will make your life easier. It has a sleek new design and more functions than our original system. You'll find it's incredibly efficient and easy to use. With 1,400 peak watts of power and total crushing blades, it crushes ice perfectly for your smoothies and frozen drinks. Say goodbye to chunky ice. The 8-cup processor bowl gives you precise control for chopping and pureeing. Create perfectly smooth sauces and dips. It offers 5 preset Auto IQ programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, chopping, and even dough. All at the touch of a button. Auto IQ takes the guesswork out of blending. It uses intelligent timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to get perfect results every time. The 72-ounce pitcher makes large batches for the whole family. That's enough for everyone to enjoy. Two 24-ounce to-go cups with lids make it easy to take your creations with you. Enjoy healthy smoothies anywhere. What we like? It boasts more blending programs and Auto IQ technology for ease of use. Its large capacity is perfect for families. If you are looking for convenience and intelligent features for large batches, this is the best choice. What people say. The smoothie quality is amazing. The item itself is very durable and well made, and the design is perfect and fits under my counter for easy access. So far, it's done a great job on making fruit smoothies and pureeing onions into a smooth slurry. It turns bassy ice cubes into fluffy and soft snow. Amazing Blender.it has a smoothie setting that mixes your smoothie and stops when it senses the smoothie is fully blended. And it's powerful, it doesn't strain to blend anything. Number 3. Ninja BN601 Food Processor. This is the Ninja BN601 Food Processor. It's designed to make food preparation easier and more efficient than ever before. Get ready to experience effortless cooking. It boasts a powerful 1,000 watt motor, effortlessly handling even the toughest ingredients. Say goodbye to struggling with your food prep. With 4 intelligent Auto IQ programs, it takes the guesswork out of chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough making. One-touch control for perfect results every time. The large 9-cup bowl is perfect for family meals or meal prepping. It saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Its precision stainless steel blades ensure even chopping, slicing, and pureeing. Experience perfectly consistent results with every use. A specialized dough blade is included, making mixing dough for bread, pizza, or pastries a breeze. Achieve professional quality results at home. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. More time cooking, less time cleaning. Its sleek silver finish and compact design will look great in any kitchen. It's built to last with sturdy construction. What we like? It effortlessly handles tough ingredients and has intelligent preset programs. Its large capacity is great for meal prep. If you need a powerful and efficient food processor for large batches and various tasks, this is ideal. What people say. Crushed ice in 10 seconds. Powerful, easy to clean. With its 1200-watt motor, it chews through tough stuff like carrots, nuts, and even dough without breaking a sweat. I whipped up a batch of pizza dough in minutes, and it came out perfectly mixed, no hand kneading required. The 12-cup bowl is a dream for big meals, too. The versatility is what really gets me. Chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing. Number 2. Ninja AMZ 493BRN Blender. This versatile kitchen system is here to make your life easier. It's powerful, efficient, and perfect for all your blending and food processing needs. Its high-performance blades effortlessly crush ice and frozen ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. With its included processor bowl and blades, it easily chops and kneads dough for various recipes. Expand your culinary horizons. It's a blender, ice crusher, and food processor all in one. This 1200-watt powerhouse truly customizes your drink-making experience. It intelligently combines pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, taking the guesswork out of creating perfect drinks every time. Blend directly in the single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and take your creations with you. Perfect for busy lifestyles. It comes with various blade assemblies for the pitcher, processor bowl, and single-serve cup, ensuring optimal results for any recipe. The dough blade effortlessly mixes and kneads ingredients for pizzas, breads, and more. Unleash your inner baker. What we like? It offers intelligent programs and a compact design. It's perfect for single servings. If you value convenience, space-saving design, and single-serve options, this is a great option. What people say. The Ninja Blender system is a fantastic addition to any busy family's kitchen, especially for those who love to cook but are always on the go. This blender is packed with versatility, offering a range of functions that can handle anything from smoothies and frozen drinks to chopping and pureeing ingredients for home-cooked meals. The powerful motor makes blending a breeze, quickly breaking down fruits, vegetables, ice, and more, while the sharp blades ensure a smooth, consistent texture every time. The 1200W power is perfect for making smoothies, effortlessly crushing frozen fruit and ice, and the Auto IQ technology makes it super easy to use with its intelligent blending patterns. My wife, who's a chef, was particularly impressed with how well it performs, especially with the versatility of switching between the blender and food processor functions. The Ninja AMZ 493BRN Compact Kitchen System is a powerhouse with a compact design, ideal for anyone who wants a versatile blender without sacrificing counter space. With 1,200 watts of power, it easily handles smoothies, frozen drinks, and small dough batches. The three functions are intuitive, and switching between blending and food processing tasks is smooth and quick. Number 1. Ninja Foodi SS201. This 3-in-1 system is a blender, food processor, and dough mixer all in one. It's designed to make cooking easier and more efficient. It effortlessly handles tough ingredients. No more stirring or shaking needed, it powers through any recipe. Take control with precise speed adjustments. Start slow and gradually increase speed for perfect results every time. Crush ice, chop vegetables, and even make dough, all within the same convenient pitcher. It simplifies your workflow. 6 one-touch programs automate your favorite recipes. From smoothies to dough, it handles it all with ease. With a 1,400-watt motor, it delivers exceptional power and performance. It's built to last and handle any task. The pitcher and blades are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A cleaning brush is also included for hand washing. You get a powerful motor, a large 72-ounce pitcher, multiple blades, a cleaning brush, and a recipe guide to get you started. What we like? This 3-in-1 system crushes, processes, and makes dough. Its smart torque technology prevents stalling. If you want a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use system with multiple presets, this is for you. What people say. The easiest way to get this 62-year-old to drink vegetables that she just doesn't want to eat. 0 chunks of fruit, it is all 100% blended. Literally every other blender I have used still ends up with chunks, even after the fruit is cut up. This thing performed admirably. Plus, it came with a recipe book and a little brush thingy for the disgusting things the dishwasher might miss. It does all the speed shifting magic for you, once you choose the setting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.